test. Now the wind is blowing. I'm not touching anything. It's turned off. Oops. The wind is too high. It can't fight the wind. Okay, and in the reverse direction it comes much faster. So here's an observation. If I lifted up the quadcopter like this, when the wind blew much powerfully, then the propellers were turning by themselves, and one of the black propellers did not turn at all almost. And let's take a look why it did not turn. If I raise the propeller a little bit, then you can see that transparent plastic inside. Okay, and if I lift this black one, you can see it's dirtier inside. So I'm talking about this area. This propeller was painted, but it also fell into the dirt. As you can see, it's not too clean there. This one is clearer. This one is not. So make sure the propellers are clean enough. Lubricate them with a fine oil, and then it will turn easier.